Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a perfect cheese toasty. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 2 slices of your preferred bread, perhaps a hearty sourdough or a soft white. Next, select about 2 ounces of a fantastic melting cheese, like sharp cheddar or creamy Gruyere. Don't forget butter or mayonnaise for that golden, crispy exterior. A little extra like black pepper or a thin slice of ham can elevate your creation. Now let's assemble your delicious toasty. Take 1 slice of bread and spread a generous, even layer of butter or mayonnaise on one side, right to the edges. Repeat this with the second slice. Place 1 buttered slice, butter side down, into a cold pan. Pile on your 2 ounces of cheese, ensuring good coverage. Finally, place the second buttered slice on top, butter side up, ready for cooking. It's time to cook your toasty to golden perfection. Place your pan over medium-low heat. Cook for approximately 3 to 5 minutes per side. Use a spatula to gently press down on the sandwich as it cooks. This helps create a beautiful, even crust. Flip it when the first side is golden brown and the cheese starts to soften. Continue cooking until both sides are perfectly golden and the cheese is wonderfully melted. Your perfect cheese toasty is ready. Carefully remove it from the pan and place it on a cutting board. Let it rest for about 1 minute. This allows the cheese to set slightly, preventing it from oozing out when cut. For that classic look, slice your toasty diagonally from corner to corner. Serve it immediately, perhaps with a warm bowl of tomato soup or your favorite dipping sauce. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.